Let's talk about how we can configure management port on our Dell Networking OS10s. And I'm going to run a demo on one of my switches, which is S4048 on. Alright, so this is one of the open networking switches. And I'm going to show you what is the IP interface, okay, of my management ports. Brief, followed by I'm going to grab to my management interface. So you can see that my management ports, which is going to be management 111, IP address is this IP, which is currently grabbed from my DHCP server. So I'm going to go to inside this interface management 111, show config. So from here, you can see that my IP address currently actually coming from my DHCP server. So if you want to configure it statically, so you can run a command IP address. If I issue question mark, it will give you suggestions. So either you can say IP address DHCP, or you can point to your own preferred IP address that you wish to use as your management IP. So assume that I wish to use this as my management IP. So I'm going to set IP address 10.10.10.100/24. I put them in class C. So once I do this, I run the show config again. So you will notice that it's not going to accept this because he said that I already have DHCP. So I'm going to say no IP address, DHCP, show config. Then I'm going to run IP address again, 10.10.10.100/24. Alright, so it's some sort of accept it, then I show configs. So you will notice that this command is already accept and my IP already configured as 10.10.100. So I'm going to say commit in order to commit the changes from my candidate config to my running configs. Then I run the show IP interface brief, grab to my management port again. So here we go. This is the example of the step of how you can configure your management IP address to your management ports on your switches that is running on Dell Networking OS 10s. Thank you very much.